Hi, let's get started with installing nodered on our computer. Before that, just kindly understand that nodered can run on Windows as well as a Linux computer as well as on Mac. But since we have to use it purely for IoT application, running it on a pure desktop computer may or may not have that many applications. Therefore, we may want to run it on IoT devices or on cloud. So Node-RED can run on Raspberry Pi, Node-RED can run on BeagleBone. You can install it directly from Git or as a Docker image on any other Linux compatible computer. Node-RED in cloud can run on IBM Cloud as well as on Amazon Web Services or AWS Cloud and Microsoft Azure Cloud. So to get started, what we will do is, in this course, what I'm going to do is, we will try it on my PC. You can try it on your Windows computer or Mac computer, and we will experiment with sensor and all the real world devices on Raspberry Pi. On Raspberry Pi, Node-RED is actually by default available, or from the factory installation, the Node-RED is available. But we will go into detail about understanding the Raspberry Pi as well. Although Node-RED is present there, we might need to upgrade it from where it is on Raspberry Pi. So we'll see Raspberry Pi in next section. If you are aware of Raspberry Pi, then you may skip the further few sessions. And if you don't know anything about Raspberry Pi, then the next few sessions will help you set up your Raspberry Pi also. In this video, let's try to see how we can install it on a Windows computer. So to install Node-RED on Windows computer, let's head to the homepage of Node-RED, that is nodered.org or org. Let me click on Get Started over here. And in the Get Started page, there are three options. You can run it locally or on a device or in the cloud. Interestingly, Node-RED also works on Android devices or Android operating system. Now I want to run it locally. So I'll just go into Getting Started for running it locally. And here the instructions are shown. Now these instructions for running it on Windows will make sense if you have this npm installed or Node.js package manager. We don't have npm installed by default in a computer, and therefore we have to go into some deeper steps for installation on PC. Now let's go to these steps to install Node-RED on Windows device, which is a detailed step. And the first thing to do is install Node.js. Once we install Node.js, the node commands and the npm commands will become available for us in Windows. Now let's install Node.js. For that, you can simply search for install Node.js and you will get to the home page. So in the home page of nodejs.org, there will be option for installation. Mine is a Windows operating system with 64-bit version. So I'll just download the Node.js first. And now let's run it. Now let's start the installation by clicking next here. Accept the terms. Now remember, we are installing Node.js here, which is a primary requirement to install Node-RED on Windows computer. That's why we are installing Node.js. Once Node.js has been installed, on command prompt, we can run these commands and install Node-RED. npm install -g -unsafe permissions Node-RED. Now that Node.js has been installed, let's click finish and let's try to run this command in terminal or command prompt of Windows. So for that sake, just click your start menu, type cmd and run it as administrator. Once you start the command prompt, the command to run is npm install -g unsafe perm, that's for permission, and nodered. And the installation of nodered will start on your computer. As you can see, nodered has been installed on your computer. Now all we have to do to run nodered is simply type node -red. This will start nodered, or this will run nodered on our computer, and we can go to the IP address of our computer followed by :1880, or you can also put the localhost address, that is 127.0.0.1 and :1880. All you need to do is simply copy this address, then take a browser, and in a new window of browser simply paste it and hit enter. This is nodered. By default, something like this will come up to you. You don't know anything about it yet, and that's perfectly fine. Just understand the overall structure. So this is where the nodes are located, which you have to connect and interconnect like this. This is the flow. This area is called as your flow, where your program would be created, not written actually. Your program would be created by simply putting these blocks like this here and there. And this is your properties window, where you can also see the debug window, where all the data or all the information can be seen over here. So this is nodered. In next video, what we'll do is we'll see how we can create our first program on nodered and how we can run it. Thank you for watching this video.